all, before we even jump into it, big shout out to Klaiyi Hair for sponsoring today's video. I really think I pronounced that all wrong. Girl, let me just not even mess up the name, okay? Name of the hair company will be right here. Nevertheless, though, we're going to get into it. So before we even jump into the actual review, my overall thoughts on this wig, let me just give you guys a quick rundown on this wig. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig. The original length of this wig is 24 inches. As you guys saw in the video, this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, so meaning you get 5 inches of lace in the front, you get 5 inches of parting space front to the back. It is a body wave texture, which I like because it made it easy to curl, and it also helped with the curls lasting. Now this was 24 inches, but as you guys saw in the video, it was a little too long, so I did end up cutting the hair just because I felt like the curls just wasn't forming the way I wanted them to form, and that was just because it was so much length on the hair. I will say that even though this is a 24-inch wig, it definitely has a good amount of density to it, which I normally don't expect with the 24-inch wig, because honestly, once you pass like 20 inches, that's when the hair starts to get a little bit on the thin side, especially when it comes to the ends. But surprisingly, this wig was actually full from the roots to the end. Now, it did not come with a pre-plucked hairline, so I did go in and pluck the hairline. I didn't have to do a whole lot because, of course, this is a 5x5 closure on this wig, so I didn't have to really pluck, you know, from ear to ear like you would normally have to do for a regular lace wig. On this wig, I don't even know if it's showing up in the video, but it has a very nice shine to it, and it's extremely soft. It almost reminds me of like a silky straight texture, but it has a body wave texture to it. It's really interesting. I've never had a wig that was this soft in this type of texture, so I definitely think that is a plus. I don't see anything wrong with having like a soft wig, and also not having the density compromised with the softness, especially as you get into the longer inches like 24-inch. It is normal to see the ends be a little bit more on the thin side and not as full, so I can appreciate that. It's definitely giving me like this look that I did today is definitely giving me like glam girl. So yeah, really simple, cute look. Really didn't take a whole lot of time or effort to get this look. Just cut some layers in the hair and threw some curls in, and I really enjoyed this type of look. You girls know I have really been loving like the side part and curls lately, so that's just what I'm into right now. Okay. So yeah, you girls know the drill, okay? All of the information on this wig will be below in the description bar, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching and clicking on today's video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.